Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and return something on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, now we will simply start our video. For the matter, the first thing you have to do is you have to access the particular eBay on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, let's head to the home section first. So this is the kind of interface gonna appear, right? So afterwards you're gonna go to this my eBay section given below, and here you're gonna find all kind of purchases of yours, including this purchase option. Go ahead, tap on it, and here gonna be listed all of your purchases that you have done so far. Afterwards you're gonna go ahead, choose the particular purchase that you want to return, tap on it, and then afterwards you have tapped on it, you will access this option called return the item. Go ahead, tap on that option, and it will let you have another interface where you have to choose a particular reason why would you like to return it. Once you have chosen a particular reason, you're going to tap on this enter a comment about why you're returning. Go ahead, enter it, and then reconfirm it again, and then that way you will be able to apply for a return of that purchase of yours, and you will get it done. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.